To start, turn the wheel to the right. Just need to remove the screws of the wheel liner. Pull back the wheel arch liner, and then you get the horn. And up here, you get a bolt. Undo that. And the next thing you do, if you get a trim up here, so you get the clip, take the trim away, and then we got to figure out where the hell to bring the wire up. You can bring it up through here. So you run the horn wire up there. So the original horn plug will end up coming up around the back of the driver's headlight. So get the new loom, plug that in. But you want to wrap it around this cable here. Loop them up through here just to keep the wiring in further away from the wheel arch. Okay, so you want to do something like that. Loops up around that headlight loom, and then cable tie it to that main loom there, leaving enough room for this old coolant neck, and then start to run it up that way. Need to unclip this brake booster loom mount and just flip it upside down. And for the single horn, this is how you do the mounting bracket. Something like that. And bolt goes in the thread already there, under all these hoses and that. Put the horn up, gives it more room because there is not a lot of room in behind there. The wiper motor can hit, so. And then you just plug in the single connector to the horn. So run the wire up there neatly, cable tie there. Once you've hooked everything up, whether it's single or dual horn, just give it a test, make sure it sounds good and no vibrations, because you don't want the horns resting on the body. Once it's okay, then you can put it all back together, including the wheel arch. Don't forget that. And then you're all done. A bit more secured.